Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Tangerine Bank. So, does Tangerine Bank have student accounts? The straight answer is no, not in the way that some other banks do with a specific student account product. However, Tangerine's standard no-fee daily checking account is a popular choice for students because it offers many of the same benefits you would find in a dedicated student account from a traditional bank. This account comes with no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. This is a huge plus for students who may have limited income. It also includes unlimited free transactions and unlimited free Interac e-transfers, which are essential for day-to-day spending and splitting bills. As a student with a Tangerine account, you also get free access to over 3,500 Scotiabank ATMs in Canada and 44,000 ATMs worldwide through the Global ATM Alliance. So while Tangerine doesn't label an account specifically for students, their standard checking account is designed with a no-fee structure that makes it an excellent and simple option for students looking to manage their finances without worrying about fees. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.